Okay, guys, so we are back, and I had taken this out USD buy, but from looking at the news events that are just about to be released in a few minutes from now, and I don't feel confident holding this buy for some reasons. So I'm just gonna close this trade. Just gonna close this just a bit. Because the news event, we really don't know how it will turn out to be, so it's just good to take precautions. So yeah, just gonna close it right now. I'm waiting to see if it will push a bit with the upside so that it remains $14. But I don't know. If it doesn't do that, it's okay. It'll still just recover. So alright, let me just close. So let's wait and see how the news events will turn out, because I've seen that we have the whatever coming out. So if you look at our history, this is what we deposited last week. It's a live account, as you can see there. So this is what we deposited last week. It was $10, so we've made a profit of about $3.9. Let's just chill and see if we can get some opportunities. In case of anything, I'll update you guys. Till then, peace out. Okay guys, so I've been analyzing here the charts, and I've realized that USD could potentially sell, because let me put my phone in the landscape mode. So our USD could potentially sell because currently it's not obeying the previous analysis, the breakout. So I've discovered that we have this sort of channel here. I just want to adjust my stop loss real quick, but we have a first touch here. This could potentially be a second touch to lead the market to sell towards these lows. So I've decided to take a sell entry targeting these lows. So we'll step away and we'll see what happens. So let me just adjust my stop loss real quick to be just above somewhere here, which will be about maybe $1 to $2 risk. $1 or $2 risk. So we'll see how it plays out. But overall, I'm anticipating it to come towards this point. It could also come towards this point. So we'll just wait and see how the market plays out. I'll update you in case of anything. Okay guys, so we're back again. We had taken sales prematurely on our USD, but we ended up closing. You can see here. Okay, we entered a buy, we exited, we entered a sell. Then it took us, we closed with the loss, closed there with a small loss, but it took a huge chunk of our profit. So right now I'm seeing we're in some sort of confirmed buys. So I'm just gonna watch for this trade, because I'm looking for an entry. I'm seeing a potential entry here, because you can see that we're above this zone. Let me remove this. So our next target is here, close to over 100 pips from where we are now. So I don't know how long it will take to get there, but we are just going to be looking for buy entries on this particular pair, because you can see here, see what price did here. So yeah, again here. It's a key zone basically. So we are going to look for to take our trades. These are high probability buys, so if I get a small retracement, I'm waiting to see if the hourly candlestick will close above this high that was here. If it does so, I'll look for a re-entry the upside. So let's wait and see how it all goes. Okay guys, so we are back again. Today is Thursday, July 13th, sorry. So yesterday we had analyzed, we saw buys, then there was some news, we saw some potential sells, but then the market ended up taking us out. You see, we entered the buy, we exited because I saw some sells, then I left the sells because I saw that it wasn't respecting, so I left it some small loss. We had taken a profit on USD card, left the market because of the news. I didn't want to lose the profits back to the market. Then the USD buy, which I ended up closing, then took the sell, which ended up in a loss. So right now we are currently in our USD buys up by about $5.8, which is just about 58% of the account. So we started with $10. We are expecting to see price hit that target level where our TP is up there. The channel we had is that we had a first touch here, a second touch here. We are anticipating a third touch there, but we'll get out at this top here. So then we had a touch to the bottom, and then another touch here. So right now we're just waiting to see if price breaks this point. We'll be expecting it to hit that new zone there. So till then, I'll keep you updated, guys. Okay guys, so I'm back again with a quick update. The trade we took on AUDUSD, so far so good, playing out nice. Just mark my key levels to know when price is breaking new high. So it already broke this high, closed above the high by far, indicating that the bullish momentum was still strong. You can see here it closed above this high. So currently we are also still going to see if we close above this high here, then we'll know for sure that you're gonna get there. So far so good. Currently it's up by $7. That is like 70% of the account. Alright, it's $11 because yesterday we closed some profit. Even though we made some losses, we still remained with about $0.94 profit. So this is what we have currently. Let's step away, we'll come back later. Guys, so I didn't like this candlestick closure here. Normally when we get such things at key levels, like price failed to break above that high, if it closed above this line, I would have been more confident and I would have continued to hold the trade. So I decided to just close the trade, and total profit we have about $9. So basically we have like 95 cents that we haven't made to get to $10, but basically that's just close to $10. So if you convert it to Kenyan shillings, it's more than 1,000 Kenyan shillings. So I'll be withdrawing in the next few minutes, so you get to see it's a live account, and I'll withdraw and show you guys the withdrawal message and the email as well to see what happens. So till then, I'll keep you posted. Okay guys, so on the FXPesa portal, trying to make the withdrawal. So I think I'm just gonna take out $9.14 to leave the rest of the $10. I'll be trading the account to probably $50 or $100. I'll show you the progress after some time in the next in the coming episodes. But meanwhile, let me just take out something to basically detach my emotions from the account, because you understand right now I've already made the profit. So if I leave anything, basically it will just be the profits that I got from the market. So if I decide to take out the $19.14, you see that will be about 2,669 Kenyan shillings. but for the purposes of continuing to trade, or let me just take out everything, then I'm gonna fund again $10 to keep going with the amount to $50 or so. We'll just see. So I'm gonna select here M-Pesa. Allow me to cut this part of the video a bit because I don't know how to blur the thing, or if I find how to blur the password, I'll blur it so you don't get to see my password. Alright, so I'm requesting my withdrawal. We're waiting to see if it will come back to my M-Pesa. I deposited 1400. There we go. My withdrawal has landed. So you can see I've withdrawn 2,669 CMS in the portal. Yeah, the withdrawal request. Yeah, you see. Then we screenshot that. So basically I funded 1400 and I've withdrawn 2600. So you can gauge yourself and know that 26 minus 14, basically I've made a profit of about 1,200. So it's something, right? If we go back to our MT4, you see that we've requested a withdrawal of $19.14. So here we go. This is the withdrawal right here, and the account is back to 0.00. So it's still the same account, as you can see. So yeah, until the next episodes, guys, see you then. We had some losses, so I'm forgetting to talk about the losses. We had some losses here and there. You see, we had a profit there on USD card, 4.4 USD. We had another profit here on our USD. It was a loss, actually. Then we had another big loss, but you see the small win here covered the small loss, so it left us with some few profits. Then we had this 8.23 USD, so plus the remaining profit from this profit here after deducting the losses, we ended up with $9. So basically $10 minus $9 is about 95 cents of a dollar. So don't judge me why I've not completed it to 10 USD, guys. I just wanted to show you that Forex is real. It's not a scam. Peace out.